Hey y'all, I've got a new look for you today using some textured hair, so perfect for my natural and relaxed girl. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look, keep on watching.
I know it's gonna be me. I know it's gonna be me.
welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So quick hairstyle for you guys. This took me probably like 15 minutes to do. So I'm wearing one bundle of the new premium human hair collection from Trendy Tresses. This hair is raw, untouched. It's human hair. It does come in a few different textures, and I'll put those down below, but what I have in is the Luxe Kinky Straight. I will put that name down below and all the information. And I believe this one is 28 inches. It does have a little bit of texture. Actually has a lot of texture to it. So for all of my natural girls or my relaxed ladies, this will be perfect for us. You don't have to get that silky straight ponytail to try and match your 4B, 4C, 4A hair. You can reuse this over and over and over again. You probably don't have to buy another like bundle just for, you know, just for your ponytails. That's what I'm talking about, for a while, because this is human hair. So unlike synthetic hair, which I've had ponytail synthetic hair, it gets tangled up, it ends up getting matted, and it just doesn't look as realistic. This looks really good, you guys, and you can't tell me it doesn't, because I know it does. I am really liking this look, you guys. I am really liking this. Yes, and yes. So besides the bundle of hair that I'm wearing, this 28 inches, I actually am wearing a pair of new lashes that Trendy Tresses has come out with, and I'm wearing the lashes in lilac. Now I do have in individual lashes, but they're like super sparse, they're falling out, and I'm not gonna get those retouched right now, so I popped these on over them. But these are absolutely beautiful lashes. They're super lightweight, and I know that they're long. They probably seem a little bit long, but I do not feel them at all. And like I said, I do have in my eyelash extensions with the strip lashes, and like these are so light. I am in freaking love with these lashes, and I want more and more of them. So my ladies at Trendy Tresses were kind enough to send me exactly what I'm wearing. So another bundle of 28 inches plus the lashes that I have in. Everything's right in this bag, you guys. I'm not gonna open up the bundle because I don't want to put my hands like all up in the hair, but the hair is wrapped inside of here, as you can see right there, and the lashes are right here. So for this giveaway, let me go ahead and tell you guys the rules. You must be following Trendy Tresses on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook. And underneath the post on Instagram, you will see me, or you should see me. Go ahead and tag 3 friends as well. Also, of course, you must be subscribed to my channel. So if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you must be following me on Instagram as well. Underneath this, like in the comment section of this video, I'm doing a lot of hands right now. In the comment section of this video, please put your Instagram handle so that I know it's you and I can check and put 2 and 2 together. And that's really it, you guys. I will put everything down below in the description box so that you'll have it and you'll have the rules right in front of you. You guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below as well, and I will for sure get back to you. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm crawling, baby, way up. Good morning, baby, way up.